If you've ever wanted to trim a video down to just the right length, whether it's to cut out an awkward moment at the start or to tidy up the ending, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to trim a video quickly and easily in CapCut. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to get a polished result you're proud of. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open CapCut. It's that black and white icon you'll find either on your phone's home screen or in your applications folder if you're on a computer. CapCut makes editing super straightforward, so you won't have to hunt around for features. If it's your first time opening CapCut, don't be intimidated by the layout. You'll see options for creating a new project right away. Tap or click on New Project to get started. Now, select the video you want to trim. CapCut will open your media files, showing thumbnails of your videos and photos. Scan through and find the clip you want to work with, and then tap on it. Imagine you've just filmed a birthday message, but there's a few seconds of fumbling for the camera button before you start talking. That's the moment we want to snip out. With your video selected, hit Add or Import. The wording may be slightly different depending on your device, but the idea is the same and it'll pop right into the editing workspace. Next, look down at the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is basically a horizontal strip that represents the full length of your video. Here's where the magic happens. Take a look at the left and right edges of the video clip in the timeline. You'll see handles or little tabs. It might look like round dots or bars at the ends. The left handle lets you trim from the start and the right handle from the end of your video. To trim, simply touch and hold one of these ends. Say the left side to cut off that fumbling moment up front, and drag it inward toward where you want your video to begin. As you're dragging, pay close attention. CapCut will show you a preview window of the exact frame you're cutting to, so you can make sure you've landed at just the right spot. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're aiming for a precise cut. Don't worry if you go a little too far or not far enough. You can always drag the handles back and forth as much as you need to get it just right. The same process works for the end of your video too. If there's an awkward pause or background noise at the end, grab that right timeline handle and pull it left, trimming off those extra seconds. Think of the timeline handles as bookends on a shelf. You're sliding them inward to focus only on the story you want to tell. It's really that simple. Once you've trimmed both ends to your liking, play back the video to double-check your result. If anything still feels a bit off, just adjust the handles again. It's a forgiving process, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully trimmed your video in CapCut. Now your content is tighter, cleaner, and ready to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to learn more editing tips, drop a comment below. I reply to as many as I can. Be sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.